Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to this session. Today we are going to look at item 1 of this unit paper, that is the KASSEC, or what we call Kayunga Secondary School Examination Committee, KASSEC Joint Mock Exam 2026. And this is A-Level, Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education, ICT Paper 2. That is 2 hours and 30 minutes. And all the instructions are clear. This paper consists of 2 exemption items, that is item 1 and item 2, and you must answer both. So always go through the scenario. This is item 1, which we're going to look at today, and also has item 2, which you shall look at it later. I think today is sale. So this is item 1, which says Evergreen is a non-government organization that operates in different districts of northern Uganda with the objective of promoting healthy, productive, and resilient communities. The organization has recently expanded its operation to selected rural and urban communities in Guru City. Following increasing reports of drug and substance abuse among young people, reports from the Guru City Health Department and local community leaders indicate that the main number of youth abusing alcohol, marijuana, opium, cat, and other illicit substances has steadily increased over the past 3 years. The situation has contributed to school dropouts, unemployment, domestic violence, criminal activities, and poor mental health. The collected data, interview reports, and photographs taken during the field study have been compiled and provided in the file called Evergreen Survey.xls and Evergreen Images folder and KASSEC support file folder 2026. This is the support file they are trying to tell us. This one. This is the support file for KASSEC. Each item is given its own files. Like this is for item 1, and these are the Evergreen statistics and Guru data. That is and also the images which we're gonna use. They are also here. That is item 1. So the guy continues, says the regional coordinator has secured an opportunity to present research findings to officials from Guru City Council, representatives from the Ministry of Health, Uganda Police Force, education officers, registrators, youth representatives, development partners, and other stakeholders during the upcoming Northern Uganda Community Health Development Conference to be held at Guru City Hall. So that's where it's going to be held, and the task is design. The task is very clear. Design a professional digital documents that the management will use to communicate the research findings to conference participants and create awareness among community members who will not attend the conference. So basically, this is a good scenario. A student doesn't need to exercise too much formulas, functions. The only thing which you need right now is to interpret the scenario. That is it. And according to my interpretation here, we shall need to design a presentation which is going to be presented in the conference, that is in the Guru City Hall. That is 1. 2, we shall also design what we call a publication or an awareness to inform members of the community about this very conference, and for those who will not attend, so that they are aware. So that's the only thing which is required in this item 1, and here we go. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna come here, we first create our folder here, and give it our names, which are Faizo. Yeah, that's also the name I use on my YouTube channel. That's at Chams Faizo. You just can search that, then you get it. Then on TikTok, you just use IT you'll be able to get me. So that is the folders. And as a smart student, you open your folder first. You also open the support file folder. So the support file folder is on this side, and my folder is on this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come and right click in my folder. I create for a subfolder called item 1. So after creating this subfolder in my folder, I come and open the support file items. All of them I just hold Ctrl A, I Ctrl copy, then I come and Ctrl V. That means I paste them here. So I've copied all my support files from the support file to my folder, so they are all in here. So let me try to put them in large stuff so that you can be able to see them. So these are my support files. I've copied them from the support file into my folder to simply reduce on disturbance and time wasting. So they are all here. This is the data which is in Guru data, which we're going to utilize it. Let me even just minimize it. Then I come and open Evergreen Statistics. That's also the data we're going to use in our presentation. That's what we're going to start with. Then after that, Evergreen, these are some of the images we're going to use. They are here. You can see we have something like a banner. It is here. We have some community outreach. We have even Evergreen logo. So they are all here. We're going to use them very well. So after doing that, so we are to decide which one to start with. We can either start with a presentation, or you can start with awareness. To me, we can start with awareness because you need to first inform members of about this conference. Either for those who are going to attend and those who are not going to attend, they should all be aware about that. Then from that, we shall make a presentation which is going to be used in the conference. So here we go. So we're going to come and right click in, open our folders. Remember, everything now is copied here. So we can try to increase the view. So I'm going to right click. I open the publication. We're going to use Microsoft Publisher to simply design a publication. So I can name it awareness. That's the awareness. That's what I'm going to start with. As a smart student, this is the publication. So that's our page. You can always start with, you can design using a blank document or a page in Publisher. That's the best way, and that's what I recommend. Or you can come and use, click at new, use some of these templates. Like if I am to design this awareness, I can basically use, we have advertisements, certificates, banners, brochures, business cards, gift certificates, invitation cards, publication program posters. But according to this awareness, maybe if I am to use, I can use the flyers, for example. I can just tap on any flyer here. Maybe this one, I tap on it, I create. So if I create, of course, it will be already be created here for me to use. So I just need to edit this content, then the flyer is done and complete for me to pin. But that's not what I want. What I want is simply a simple publication. And to do it faster, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and I'm going to start with insert. I'm going to insert a shape to make just my work look a bit nice. I can get this rectangle. I can put it here. It is already there. So I'm going to use, after getting my rectangle, that is to shape, to have a nice nice background and everything, nice shape. That's why I've selected that. Then from there, I'm going to come to Home tab. I get these drop boxes. I start entering my data. I'm going to start with Evergreen. That is our organization. I type Evergreen organization. I'm going to be a bit faster due to time factor. I can try to increase the font. So here we are. So I can also come and insert another heading for the conference. I put it here. I can simply say Northern Uganda, because according to this way I get the information. Even I can just come and copy and paste it. Where is it? The conference. Available statistics. Those are there. So it is here. Northern Uganda Community Health. So I'm gonna type it from here. I can simply say Northern Uganda Community Health and Development Conference, to be held, they told us in Gulu, actually at Gulu City Hall, to be held at Gulu City Hall. So that is our major aim, or the title of this conference. So we can try to centerline this. We can also leave it at that. We can also first leave it at that. Then another important thing, we can insert a logo here. You can come and insert a logo. Let me increase my working space to 100%. Yeah, like that. So I'm gonna go to the support file here. I copy and paste this logo. So I wanna paste it here. So I'm gonna click here and paste. Let me reduce the size it a bit so that it can fit where I want. So I think it is there. I can even try to put it in a logo shape. Then after that, I can come to can insert some image here. I can come to, I want to insert something like a chart. Let me go to the support file. I come to Excel. I put this report about Evergreen Survey report about drug abuse cases by division. So per year, in the previous year. So I'm gonna copy this. Copy this, then I come and paste it here. So I'll just try to resize it a bit. So here we are. So here we are. So I can also come and insert another picture about community awareness. I can just come to the support file. I get this, also copy it. I come and paste it here. Now, yeah, let me paste it here. I can also try to resize it a bit. good. I can even also give it a picture format of my choice. I can come here, select any, maybe that. I can also try to get a table design here. You can use any from here. That one is no problem. You can use that. You can change the color to green, I think. Yeah, that one is no problem. I can center like this for now. So I can also put some style here. Let me come to shape. Let me use this. I can give it any color, or I can change it to green. Then I can also try to change this. This one I can give it a red color, no problem. So after that, I can also come here. No, I don't want to always do much. That's enough. So another thing here, we can insert our text box here. Come to home, we get a great text box here. Do our text box here. We come and copy some of that here about awareness. Maybe awareness based research findings, courage, contribution materials, group which will attend the conference. So we copy this data only. That's what we need. You copy it and paste it here. Here it is. So these are the two paragraphs we needed from there. So we can give it any other font, either stencil, no, let it be black, or we can use the regional. Yeah, that is enough. So we still have enough time and space, so we can try to increase a bit the font so that they are clear to around maybe 14. Yeah, so that is it. Then from there we can try to add something like the contacts for the regional coordinator. I'm gonna come and draw this text box. You can draw it here. regional coordinator. L 256 75 98 53346. You can also add another contact, that is 256 7865 94262. You can also add email, jeffrizo@gmail.com. You can also add TikTok @it.doctor. And also add YouTube @James. So I think that's the information. That information is enough for the regional coordinator. You can try to expand it a bit. You can board it. You can try to so that is it. So that's the regional coordinator's contacts and everything. In case you want to reach out to him, you just dial that. So once that is done, you can even put any color where necessary, but for now let's just leave it at that. You can now add something like, maybe and go to the support file, get another image, which is important. You can also add this one as this banner here, and we say we paste it there. Make sure and see that it fits very well. Let's try to resize it a bit. So we can try to go to picture format, give it better, maybe that, so that can fit in, or we can try to compress it a bit more. We can give it that. Let's just take it back to where it was. I think that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. Can maybe also add something small, like our footer down here. We can add a text box here, and we say designed by IT.0. Okay, you write names. For example, James ISO 501. So simple as that. You can increase the font, you can centerline it, you can use any of your choice. So here we are. Now another thing here which we are left with, I think, is to shape format. You can come and right click on it, come to format auto shape. You can give it light green color, okay. Give it light green color as a background. You can also come to right click shape. We can put some any color on our, since we have used gray blue, we can use blue here. This blue we can increase on the found tape around here. Maybe it's okay. So that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we can try to use some size there. That is not drug abuse. We can also try to change this so that it's more clear. You can bold it. Yeah, I think it is also okay. So that is our, we save the changes. Then here you can just print it out if you want. So that's how it's gonna look like if it is printed on a piece of paper. So that is our awareness, and that's what we're gonna pin to the community. So that is item number 1 still. So we're going to go to the presentation, how we have to do with the presentation. And that was published, as we're going to go to PowerPoint. So with the PowerPoint, still we are going to come to our, we're going to do the same information, but it's going to be presentation. So we're going to, this is awareness, which I have just created. So now we are going to come to right click new, we come and open a presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here we can name it materials, or conference materials. One of the conference materials presentation. This is you click at the first slide. So here we can just write evergreen organization. Let's try to look at this where the information we wanted there. So we come here. So you're gonna make a presentation about evergreen organizations. So you can write here evergreen organizations. Evergreen organization. So press enter. can add Northern Uganda. Northern Uganda community health and development conference. So after that, here you write conference conference held at Guru City Hall. So you can try to reduce this text a bit so that it can fit well. Then from there we can come here and say presented by, and change the phrase. So that is all. That's what we want on the first slide. Then we're going to come to home, insert another slide. First data and content. So here we're going to go and copy this data about the regional coordinator of Evergreen. The aim, actually, that's what we want. So we're going to copy all these causes why we are calling for this conference. So we're going to paste that here. So we'll type Evergreen here. Talk about it briefly. Then from there we're going to come to another slide. We insert a new slide here. We come to we type Evergreen. The conference ends. Conference goes. So we can type here and say, actually we're gonna copy this information. We copy it, we paste it here. So this is the information we want. That's what we need after that slide. Then you can set a new slide here. Then this one's gonna be for report about drug abuse by division. We saw it in the Excel sheet, this one. So we're gonna copy this table and paste it here. Everything is easy, just paste, copy and paste. So we're gonna try to expand it a bit. Yeah, we can increase everything here so that it can be visible. So we can copy write here something important. Drug abuse cases by division. Then from there we can also insert another slide, that is a chart displaying this information. We're gonna go to we're gonna come here, create a new slide. Then we're gonna come back to our Excel sheet here. We just highlight this information only. We insert a chart. It's better we use the Chrome chart. You don't need to think too much. Which showing the divisions, the total, and per division. We can ignore the totals, so we can just come and get under the information here. Press the percentage. Insert chart. Whether it's a column chart, a bar chart, any chart. You have just wanted to do that. We show that Bagidege was this one with the highest percentage. Peace, low, then Laibi of drug abuse. So here I'm gonna copy this and paste it in that. Now presentation. Here we go. It's pasted already. So we come here, we add the title, a chart showing drug abuse cases per division. So here we are. That's also done. Then we can also add another chart, another slide, sorry, and that is for another major causes of drug abuse. You can also add them there. That is through our table here. We copy this and just come and paste it in our presentation. Here we are. You can also try to expand it. And you can see that. Here we are. You can try to increase the fonts usage. Those are the cases. So you just copy this causes of drug abuse. Just copy it and paste it here. Then from there we can just add another for the substances. Come right click, you add new slide. Come also add this table here for substances, which I use marijuana, everything, alcohol, opium. Also add it here. So just try to increase its size. And also try to increase its font here. Then you can also copy this title, paste it here. Then from there we can conclude, I think. Yeah. And in conclusion, just right click, new slide. Actually here I wanted to use a different slide. I'm gonna come to home. I select this one, blank one. The reason why I've selected blank, because I want to get this banner here. That's why I want to put here. I come and paste it here. So this banner, I want to occupy this whole what? This whole slide as my there we are. So nothing, you can just come here and apply the design, give it green, it's here. Now I can also apply some images here, like a logo. You can also come and paste it around here. You can bring it here. You can come and also use that picture format. Then I can also add another image here concerning the is our support file, community outreach, and also paste it here. And I think it can suit very well there. You can also give it another simpler Japanese picture format, make it be like that. Then later on I can also format this table design. Can give a different format, put some borders there over this. Any can work. Come on this chart, can also try to give it a different one, which is more clear. Or you come back here to chart design, give it this one. Or this, any can work. But let me just go with that. Then I can also still come back here. I give it also some lines, put some line there, so that it can look more like a table. The same to this. You can put this one is a bit light, or this one. Yeah, that one I think can work. I think my presentation is almost done. I just need to apply some transitions, like this one for the curtains. And I don't want to spend too much time on one thing. This one can work on the first slide. I come on the second one, I can apply origami. No, first slide, I want the first slide. Transition, I said curtains. Where are they? Yeah, curtains are here. Then second, conditions, you need to select the slide. Then on the second, I come, you said I can put any. I wanted the origami here, and this tag should be also be placed there to show that you have applied transition on that slide. Then we come and look for another one. The game is done. Then I can put crash. Yeah, that one is also applied on that one. Come slide 4. I can also apply a different slide fracture. Then I come to 5. I come and put a different slide. Can put vertex. Yeah, vertex is good. Slide 6. I come and tap on it. I come to transitions. I can put honeycomb. Then I come on slide 7. I can put wind. Should I put wind? Yeah, I put wind. Yeah, wind is okay. Then can come to the last one. There I can put airplane. Yeah. So those are the transitions. I've applied animations. You can also apply them. But this one is going to consume it. I'm going to apply it very fast. Maybe apply in. You can even apply it on the image. I just tap on it. Then it's a wheel. Then I come and slide 2. I can click in that. It's a split. Slide 3. Slide 2, 3. Click there. Come to animations. Say wipe. Slide 4. Animations. I can say float in. Slide animations. I can tap here. Just need to tap in the text. There are very many here. You can say bounce. You come to the chart. You can give it a different animation. First tap there. If you don't tap, it won't show you. You can say spin. You can come to this one, slide 6. You come to animation, tap there. You can see this one, you just split. You can come to this one, 7. Tap there, you come to animations. You can tell it to appear. Slide 6, you can come to animations. Tap on it. You come to animations. You can look for anything. Maybe swivel. Yeah, swivel. That is it. So that is it. We save the changes. Then after that we come to slideshow. We first look at what we have done so far. So that is our presentation. You just need to tap on it. So let's take us to the next slide. Then we come to this one. We come to that. And to that. We come to that. We come to that. I'm a bit faster. I don't have time. Come to that. Come to that. Yeah, the last one. So that is it. And that is all what I had for you in item 1. So let's meet in item 2. Inshallah. These are the files we expect you guys to have awareness and the presentation item 1. Let's meet in item 2. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.